Hey there YouTube, Krasmo Kramer here. Today I'd like to do a very brief review of the 711L Mini Ratchet Wrench TG number 71143. This is available on Amazon, and I want to show you a very nice handle adapter that you can use with this small wrench if you need to get a larger grip on it or need to put a little bit more torque on whatever you're tightening. Again, 711L. And here is the box with the model number, 71143. This is a great little wrench. There's a magnetic end that will hold a bit. I don't know if you can see this or not. I'll zoom in here, but there's a magnet. Fully reversible. And this is the double-ended bit wrench. So you can put a full-size, double-ended bit in here, and it will go out both sides. You can also, because this is so deep, put the store double-ended bit in that end. I have a 1/4-inch Hex Bit, and this is Zapwizard's handle, 3D printed handle. This is in black, and this is for the 711 Hex Ratchet. This is the blue model, you can see through there, which has the hex end. There is a red one that has a flat end to use with the Leatherman. This is a great little ratchet. It's very strong magnet in this end to hold the bit. There is a little bit remover right here that you can use with it. But a great ratchet. So Zapwizard has made this nice handle kit that holds 12 of these double-ended bits. These are WeHob double-ended bits, and this is the Technician's kit. They make several different kits. I don't know the name of all of them. This is a Technician one. Magnets on one end, and on this end, I'm not going to poke it out, but there is a socket driver that you can poke this through. It's got the 1/4-inch hex on one end, and it's got a square end on it for use with a socket. So you use the 1/4-inch hex, goes in there, snaps in. I'll get this right. Handle goes on. And now you've got an extension. See if I can figure this out. This is my first video, so bear with me. But you've got this nice extension if you need to get a little bit more torque or better grip on this wrench. Because this thing is tiny. How tiny, you ask? Well, I'll show you. When you look on the Amazon website, this thing looks huge the way they've taken the picture. So when you get this, it's very surprising how small it is. This is a Buck 112 from 1972. Look how small that wrench is compared to this knife. It's just crazy, but it does do the job. Okay, this is the obligatory knife play. There you go, blades out. All right, that was fun. Anyway, this is worth checking out if you decide to buy one of these. I highly recommend it. I think this thing is great for doing work in small places. Obviously, you're not going to do any big major work with it, but for small work, electronics or whatever, this thing is nice, very nice. There are other videos reviewing this specifically with torque ratings and testing it to failure and so on. It's strong, just as the Hex driver is. Available on Amazon. The driver is available on Amazon. And this handle kit with the knurled attachment and the 2 ends, these are 1-inch ends. He makes a 2-inch and a 3-inch, I believe. But Zapwizard is on YouTube, and he also has a website where you can purchase this. It's very reasonable. It's incredibly sturdy, and he's gone to great lengths to make sure that this is usable and it fits and it does what he claims that it will do. So I would recommend checking this out. I'm extremely happy with this purchase. And if you're looking for an extension for one of these, this would be the way to go. Some people are using just bit extenders. Yeah, it gets the job done, but it's really still kind of small. You can't get a good grip. This way, you've got a full-size grip. You can get a hold of that thing and really torque it without hurting your hand or anything. So check it out if you're interested. I like this kit and I do recommend it. As I said, this is my first video. I know the quality is mediocre. Bear with me. Hopefully, if I make more, it'll get better. If you got some constructive criticism, I would love to hear it. If you're going to burn me, save it. Go somewhere else. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. I would say subscribe, but there's really nothing to subscribe to at this point. But a thumbs up would sure make me happy. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.